This week we're running a number of lab bench tests that will prepare the turbine for operation in the field. The first test that you see behind me is a pitch test where we're using air cylinders attached to an external fixture to load the pitch system to the worst case loading that the turbine will ever see in the field. And this will prove that our pitch system can operate under worst case scenarios. The second test we're running is a yaw functionality test. You can see behind me the machine is yawing. Yawing is the action that we use to autonomously move the turbine in the direction of the wind so that we can track the wind and make sure we're optimizing power performance. The third test we're running is a dynamometer test where we have an external motor hooked up to the high-speed shaft of the gearbox. And this external motor is driving the turbine as if wind were driving the turbine. So it allows us to trick the control system into thinking that it's operating, and it allows us to test the control system's functionality by making sure that it autonomously starts up and shuts down as expected.